What's up, guys? In the previous tutorial, we learned how to disable facial animation in Roblox settings. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable dynamic head facial animations directly inside Roblox Studio. First, let's take a look at the default behavior. As you can see, the character's face is animated using dynamic head animations. Now open your Roblox Studio project. On the right side, locate the Explorer panel. Find StarterCharacterScripts. Click plus button, insert an object, and choose LocalScript. Inside the LocalScript, paste the following code. Let's quickly break this down. We first get the character and its head. Then we wait for something called FaceControls, which is responsible for dynamic facial animations. If it exists, we destroy it, and that immediately disables all facial animation. If it doesn't exist, that means the character isn't using a dynamic head. Now hit play to test your game. As you can see, the character's head no longer animates. Problem solved. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Roblox tutorials. See you in the next one.